Hello guys, welcome you in this new video tutorial. Today I am going to show you two ways to do your phone's system software update. Let's see the process. Firstly, you need to go to the settings of your phone. Then scroll down to the bottom. You will see an option called system. Click on the system and go to about your phone. For me it is about i95. You will see an option called software update. Click on that option. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Then you can see if your phone has any software update is available or not. If the update is available, click on the update and don't turn off your phone. Your phone will turn on and off automatically while installing the update. No need to fear, just wait until your phone is fully updated. The other way is to look for the app named software update in your application menu. Open the app and follow the instructions said in the previous method. You can see my software is updating here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the next video.